Good day everyone, I am Honeypot. We use Google Cloud Platform to do our project. Okay, let's take a quick demo on our project. So here we can see the Cowrie has been started and the Cowrie in the mode to take the log files. So now I try to SSH into the server from my CMD on my laptop. Firstly, I copy the IP address. Then I type command ssh root at the server. This is the IP address of the server. Okay, now enter the password. I type password 1 is 10 10. Okay, now we can see it lets me in. So I type some command ls then ps ef. Okay, now I exit from the server. So from here we can see the Cowrie track all my actions. Firstly, the Cowrie track my IP address, and then it also track my login attempt. Here we can see the comment I type. I try to log in as a root and then the password I type. After that, the Cowrie also track my all the actions. Firstly, the comment I type and then the second comment until I exit from the server. We also can see the list of the log events. So these are the list of the log events. Now we need to check the status of the services that we already installed and configured. Firstly, Elasticsearch. Then FileBit. After that, Logstage. Lastly, Kibana. So all the services are active. These are the log files that we tracked via Cowrie. It was difficult to read, understand, and classify the key features because it was unorganized. To make it easier, we use FileBit and Logstage. FileBit tracks the log file from the Cowrie and then forward it to the Logstage. Logstage unify the data from FileBit and then normalize the data to Kibana. Now we need to start Kibana. Copy the external IP. We can see Kibana successfully loaded. These are the log files that forwarded from Cowrie to Kibana via FileBit and Logstage. We can read, understand, and classify the key features because it was well organized. We can view all the successful login to our server by this filter in Kibana. So these are the successful login to our server. And then this is the attack I trigger from CMD on my laptop. We need to start the LS alert to make sure we can get the notification about the alert on the Telegram. So this is the bot I created on the Telegram. The name of the bot is Cowrie alert. So we can view all the alerts on Telegram from here. And then this is the alert for the attack I trigger from CMD. Now we can compare the successful login on Kibana and the alert for the login on Telegram. We can see the country and then the city, the IP address, and I try to log in as root, the password I typed to log in to the server. For evidence, I type what is my IP for proof my IP address. This is my IP address.
Okay, this is our Kibana dashboard. Here we can see the geo IP country and city names, number of attacks in Cowrie, their username and password. Other than that, the time zone and also the records of log event.